Hello there guys, James here. I am running a phone with a custom ROM with Magisk installed. I have changed the Magisk name and I have also enabled Magisk hide. PUBG New State is hidden. Going to the settings, I also have developer option turned off, but still the game does not launch and sees this phone as potentially suspicious. So let me show you how to fix it. All you have to do is go to the Play Store, search for an application called Icebox. Install this Icebox. After installing Icebox, it will ask you for root permission. Enable root for Icebox. After that, just open Icebox, tap on the applications and make sure that the Magisk application is added here. After that, just swipe to freeze the Magisk application, and now you can launch New State without any errors. A bonus thing I can say is that the Icebox application will give you a continuous notification. To fix that, you have to go to settings, auto freeze, and select the auto freeze to never. And whenever you want to access Magisk or whenever you want to access root, all you have to do is go to Icebox, tap and hold and select defrost, and you will be good to go. You will be able to use Magisk with all of its features. And after you are done, when you want to play New State, just open Icebox, freeze Magisk again and launch the New State game. It's as easy as that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Now this is not my idea. This idea is not originally mine and I do not deserve credit for this. This is somebody else's idea which I do not know whose idea it is. I'm just sharing this for the community. So if you find this helpful, please let me know in the comments below, and see you guys in the next one.